Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a Skype on your laptop. All you need to do is just go to Google, search for Skype download, and look for available for Windows or Mac. And then here you can choose for Mac, Windows, or Linux. So I'll choose Mac because I'm using Mac. After that, just hit that one and wait for it to be downloaded. After that, double click the download part. Just wait a bit. And then this one, you should drag Skype to applications. When it's downloaded there, you can see it's here and also here. So double click it. Just wait for it to be verified and then open. And there you have it, successfully downloaded. So with this one, you can use another account because I have here one. You can choose another account or you can just create new account and that will be on my next video. So I hope this video helped you and see you on my next video. Bye!